Hi, everyone. It's Keith with Life Hacks for Seniors with Keith, back again with another video. And today, thought I'd stay in the office and chat with you about something that is kind of near and dear to my heart. I've been involved for many years with mentoring in one way or another with younger people, and thought I would cover that today because there's so many ways for seniors to be able to give back and to find good purpose in their lives after retirement. Because I know a lot of people struggle with that, and it's hard for you to be able to keep up with the pace of the world and still be active and involved if you don't just get out and get involved. And one way that you can do that is with some different organizations, um, like Boys and Girls Clubs of America, Big Brother, Big Sister, Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, Brownies. Whether you're a man or a woman, there are ways for you to be able to get involved in those kinds of ways and help others out. Now, you can do that with social media. You can do it with, like I like to do, with editing of videos. I edit videos with a few of the people that I'm working with. Um, I work with their PowerPoints because I've had a lot of experience with that. I've written several books, and so I help with the editing or the design or the layout. I also do their promotion, help show them how they can promote all of their work on social media. Social media for seniors has kind of become a really good place to go to be able to do the things that you enjoy and still give back to others. And I think that a lot of people who did a lot of different kinds of jobs over their lifetimes have a lot of experience that they can pass along. And if you go to your local trade schools or junior colleges or even high schools, you can probably find a way to be able to hold a class or have a ongoing series that would teach something. If you were in electrical or in plumbing, into automotive, into sales and marketing, all kinds of things. If you're a professional like engineering or in the sciences, there are ways for you to be able to mentor and to give back and to help people that are coming up behind us. Because I don't think they're getting it in school, unfortunately. I don't think our schools are teaching like they did when I was in high school and college. And I think that teaching what you knew, what you did, and passing it along, you've got that expertise. You just have to make sure you're up to date with what you're teaching because there's always new methods to do the things that we used to do. I had a big or a little boy from Big Brother, and I got him in the early 80s, and we were together from when he was 12 until he was 18. So we were together 6 years. And in those 6 years, I did all kinds of things with him, not just things that I could mentor him on. Because I was a financial planner and an insurance agent. What kid at 12 wants to learn about that? Anyway, I took him to things he would never go to because his family was not an affluent family. They were relatively on the poverty scale. And I took him to the symphony and to the ballet and to the art museum. And we went to a lot of movies, and I took him skiing, and we bicycled a little bit together. He was a chubby little kid when I first got him, and he was Native Indian, Native American. And we had so much fun together as he grew up, and his mother really appreciated, as a single mother, what I was providing for her through Big Brother. And you can do those kinds of things and enjoy them and give you purpose in your life, and you can stay in touch with them for a long time. Really makes life good when you can keep those kind of lifelong relationships. So anyway, just didn't want you to forget about mentoring and as a possible thing to do as a life hack in your senior years. Even if you retire at 50 and you have lots of activities that you could still participate in and bring somebody along with you, it'd be great to do. So, anyway, life hacks for seniors with Keith. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Talk to you later.